This year marks the 10th anniversary of the Ras Al Khaimah Fine Arts Festival. Our story began in 2012 with a 3-day film night that inspired the inaugural festival in 2013. Since its inception, more than 700 artists have been featured at RAKFAF.
This is amazing. We love to see the progress of the event and are excited about the weekend.
Absolutely. It's going to be 3 days of outstanding events celebrating the arts and celebrating Ras Al Khaimah. Wish you a lovely event full of art.
And we have hosted more than 50 events and workshops along with 80 film screenings. More than 38,000 visitors have flocked to the festival the past 10 years. We've included annual themes as part of the festival since our move to Al Hamra Heritage Village. A tentative UNESCO heritage site and a former coastal settlement with one of the largest pearling fleets in the Arabian Gulf Coast in 2019. Last year's theme, Hope, reflects the reopening of the arts following the last year's closure. Our previous themes included connected communities and old meets new. In 2022, RAKFAF has joined together with more than a dozen partners. Our partners have been crucial for the growth and development of the festival and in helping us to reach this milestone. We look forward to continue our contribution to the arts and culture sector of Ras Al Khaimah and the wider UAE for another 10 years and beyond.